previously checked the performance of the Aero Avante kit, checking its speed on the speed checker, both the mobile app and the actual speed checker, and then ran that on a quick race to see how it performs. This time we'll be doing the same thing with the DCR Blue Special kits. These two have not had any maintenance done on them. If you stick to the end of the video, you'll see a quick race between these two kits to see which ones are performing quite well, and as I give my thoughts as to why they are the kits that I use for Boxstock. Before we begin, if you enjoy what I'm doing, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. I will upload new videos each week, so make sure to come back and leave a comment if there's any mini four-wheel drive topic that you want me to cover. It's been a while since I ran them, so let's see how fast they'll run without me doing any sort of maintenance. So let's start off with this black one first. So this is probably around 23 when it's running. Let's load it back up. Again, I'm not going to do any new sort of maintenance on this. Just want to show or compare what it would look like if you ran your kits like after having some time pass before you run it again. So still waiting for batteries to charge. Hopefully it should be done. Just waiting it to be charged up to 1.5 each. So I'm just checking to make sure that the pinions are not loose or anything. Okay, this one's going to be very slow, it seems. Let's pop this back on. Okay, so I think the battery should be charged more than enough. This is the one that was running 25, right? So let's see how this thing will run on the track. This was the slower one, I think. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Heat that, what happens? And I think this is a relatively new battery too. I think I bought it during quarantine. I think this one was actually the winner. my first win, so we'll see if that's still gonna be the case. Okay guys, so that's the performance of these Boxstock kits. As you can see, the AR is not performing as well as the MA. I think mainly because of the motor. The break-in and maintenance of the single shaft motor is a lot difficult compared to the double shaft motors. So generally I have better luck with double shaft motors, breaking them in and producing a good quality motor compared to single shaft motors. But I have one already using this Aero Avante kit. Yeah, it's not impossible. It's just really a matter of breaking in the motors and then making sure everything is built properly. That's what we're gonna do. We'll try to see if we can improve the performance of both these kits, and again make them race ready as soon as we're able to get back into racing. As for the DCR blue kits, we'll need to work on just making sure that the motors are well maintained, everything's cleaned. But otherwise, I think it's still these two are still like the best kits for me for Boxstock, which is why I recommend these to use currently. And you can check out the video on that one for the build for the DCR blue special. Otherwise, still happy with these two, how they perform. Definitely gonna be keeping these in my lineup. I'll probably have extra DCR blue kit just so that they're ready to race, to replace these in case they fail for whatever reason. I actually will be like reusing these kits for T-Mac after a couple of races. Obviously once the wear and tear is going to be obvious. Let's go ahead and do some maintenance on this, and then we'll run them again in a race and then see how they perform.